Part 1 gave you the golden rule. Every debit has an equal credit. Now, the real question: which account gets which? 6 account types cover every business: what you spend, own, and take out, plus what you owe, earn, and invest. The memory trick is DEAD. Debit increases expenses, assets, and drawings. Spend, buy, withdraw, debit. And CLIC, credit, increases liabilities, income, and capital. Owe more, earn more, or put money into the business, credit. Pay £500 rent from the bank. Rent is an expense, so debit rent. Money leaves the bank, so credit bank. A cash sale of £300. Cash comes in, an asset, debit cash. Sales is income, credit sales. Borrow £2,000 from the bank. Cash arrives, so debit bank. The loan is a liability, so credit the loan account. That's it. Name the accounts, decide their type, apply DEAD CLIC, and any transaction in the world books itself in seconds. DEAD for debits, CLIC for credits. Learn those 8 words and you're set. Next up, the trial balance. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.